My name is Doug Cassell, and I've been with SleepSafe Beds for 5 years. I run the CNC machine. It's a computer-operated machine that allows me to cut out the precise size or shape of any material, or the vinyl or foam. The table is 180 inches long, 80 inches wide, and I pull the vinyl or the foam upon the table. It is vacuumed down to hold it in place to cut it out in precision shape or size. The vinyl is a bacteria and a fungal resistant vinyl, and it's a 3/4 thick high density foam that helps protect the kid in case of a seizure, or if he happens to bump his body somehow on the bed. After I have cut them, they'll put in a set to make sure it fits the correct bed. It's then passed on to the lady that sews it. She seals it and puts a Velcro on it, and then it's put on the shelf to ready to be put into the next step. It means a lot to me to be with a company that takes pride in their product. Every SleepSafe bed that we ship out, we get to put this sticker, "Made in America," means a lot. I have met one client that uses our bed. He was very satisfied with it, and to me, that's just to hear him to say that his son enjoys the bed, and so they could sleep safe at night and not worry about his kid being hurt, is a lot meaningful for me.